West Covina and San Gabriel home buyers, if you've been searching for a completely remodeled single-story home with about 1,900 square foot on a lot that's over 9,000, and wait till you see what's inside that garage, I want to get you inside this property to check it out. As soon as you walk inside, you can feel the difference a full remodel makes. The living room is warm, welcoming, and anchored by a beautiful fireplace with tile surround, true hardwood flooring, recessed lighting, interior fresh paint, new 6-panel doors, new outlets, updated hardware, and dual pane windows all come together to create a home that feels clean, modern, and move-in ready. Now this is where the remodel really shines. The original layout was thoughtfully reimagined to create a much larger kitchen. You now have a gorgeous expanded kitchen with quartz countertops, shaker cabinetry, soft closed drawers and cabinets, all new stainless steel appliances, a 5-burner stove, farm sink, pull-out corner cabinets, spice drawer, and a large island with storage and sit-up seating. Stepping outside, you find all this usable space continues. The large covered patio gives you a great setup for outdoor dining, weekend barbecues, or relaxing in the shade. The backyard features a block wall enclosed yard for privacy, and you have a fenced area that could be perfect for a dog run, tool storage, garden space, or hobby zone. There is also additional space on the side, giving you even more flexibility for storage or outdoor use without taking away from the main backyard. The secondary bedrooms continue the updated feel to this home. You'll find hardwood flooring, center ceiling lights and fans, large closet doors with extra storage above them, making these rooms comfortable and practical for guests, family, work from home, or hobbies. Another feature buyers will appreciate is that this home offers 3 full bathrooms. The secondary bathrooms have been updated with thoughtful designs that have made this home feel consistent from room to room. The primary suite gives you the comfort and storage buyers are looking for. This full-size retreat includes the walk-in closet, the secondary closet with additional storage above, giving you great functionality without sacrificing comfort. It is bright, comfortable, and offers a peaceful place to unwind at the end of the day. The remodeled primary bathroom continues the elevated feel with a dual sink, privacy toilet, a beautifully finished tile-enclosed shower, thoughtfully designed for everyday living. Now, before we finish, I have to show you what truly separates this property from so many others. This garage is approximately 1,100 square feet, and that is a massive amount of usable space. You have direct access from the home, laundry hookups, water heater, plumbing, heat, and a full pull-up door that leads you to your backyard. For a car enthusiast, contractor, woodworker, collector, hobbyist, or someone who simply needs incredible storage, this garage opens up possibilities you almost never see in residential property, and could make a great ADU if you want to go through that route. The exterior was recently painted. The home has air conditioning, Nest thermostat, PVC waste lines, and newer roof that is approximately 2 years old. The location is another major advantage. Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac, this home gives you a peaceful residential setting while still keeping you close to schools, parks, local shopping, dining, and convenient freeway access. So there you have 632 South Donna Beth in West Covina, this fully remodeled 3-bedroom, 3 full bathroom home with this 1,100 square foot garage truly takes this property to the next level. If you're looking for condition, space, flexibility, and a garage that really redefines what storage can be, then we'd love to get you inside this property. If you know somebody that this home would work for or this garage would work for, we'd love it if you shared this video. My name is Robert Vandergoes of the Vandergoes Group, and if you're looking for advice, service, or any real estate services, please give me a call. We'd love to be of help.